Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Does your phone screen turn on automatically every time you pick it up? This can be very annoying and drain your battery faster. Luckily, there is a simple setting to fix this. First, open your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on Wallpapers and Style. The option name might look slightly different depending on your phone model. Now tap on More Lock Screen Settings. Here, look for Lift to check phone or Raise to wake. Tap the toggle to turn it off. This will stop your screen from turning on automatically when you pick it up. If the problem persists, go back to Settings. Tap on Notifications. Now tap on Notifications on lock screen. Turn the toggle off if you do not want notifications to wake your screen. This prevents accidental screen wake-ups and saves battery life. You can test by picking up your phone. The screen should remain off unless you press the power button. This feature is especially useful if you carry your phone in your pocket or bag. It also reduces unwanted battery drain. If this video helped, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more phone fixes and tips. Thanks for watching. Hello everyone.